In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Forex Factory calendar. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the calendar tab over here on the website. And then once you're on the calendar tab here, you'll be able to see the calendar. So inside the calendar, first you can see, of course, the specific day and then the times, and then of course the currency and the impact as well. And then here you can also read more details, see graphs, etc. So for example, let's just go ahead and click on over here where it says detail, and you can click on that and it's going to give you all the specs, the sources. It's going to give you like all the info you can read on a specific given day and time, which is very, very cool. And then over here, you also have the graph. You can open up the graph right away, just like this. And yeah, there we go. As you can see, you can then go ahead and kind of analyze this and basically get the latest updates on that specific day. So that's the first thing you can do here inside your calendar. Now, the second one, of course, is you can scroll down and see more of the calendar, or over here on the left hand side, as you can see, you basically have this navigation panel. Now in here you can go ahead and filter by date, so we could go ahead and for example go into January, and then I could for example select the first over here, and this is going to put me inside January 1st 2026. Or of course I could go ahead and go back as well if I wanted to, and I could go to for example the 1st of November 2025, okay, which currently is actually not showing anything, but still, okay. So let me actually refresh this to go to the present date. There we go. You also have the option to over here click on today, tomorrow, this week, next week, this month, or next month. And you could also do yesterday, up next, and then you have a bunch of different ones. Now, you also have metal calendar, energy calendar, and then the crypto calendar over here. So if you want to use any of those, just click on it, and it's going to basically take you to that specific calendar over here, and you can pretty much use it the same way. Now, up here, you also have these arrows. If you click on this arrow, it's basically going to move a week forward or a week back, okay? So that's what this is going to do. Now here, it says up next. You could also click that and it's going to show you up next right now. You can also search for events if you want to. So here you have some recommendations, or you could just go ahead and basically search for whatever you want. And you could also apply filters. As you can see, you have the expected impacts, event types, the currencies, etc. You could go ahead and filter these out as well here inside your calendar. If you scroll down a bit here, you also can see the central bank rates and a bunch of different things here on the left hand side, as well as the legends, just to know basically what you're looking at. And you could also click on more and just keep on clicking more, and you'll be able to go ahead and keep on scrolling down and basically seeing what's going on your calendar. So that's how to use the calendar. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.